मैंने अपनी हदें पार कर दी। आई ओवरस्टेप्ड माई बाउंड्रीज। आई ओवरस्टेप्ड माई बाउंड्रीज। मुझे पहले कभी इतना मजा नहीं आया। आई हैव नेवर हैड सो मच फन बिफोर। आई हैव नेवर हैड सो मच फन बिफोर। वह रातों रात एक बड़ा एक्टर बन गया। He became a popular actor overnight. He became a popular actor overnight. मेरी उससे कभी कभार मुलाकात होती है। I meet him occasionally. I meet him occasionally. तुम दोनों बिल्कुल एक जैसे लगते हो। You two look so much alike. You two look so much alike. पांचों उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती। All are not alike. All are not alike. फोन को झुककर मत देखो। Don't slouch over the phone. Don't slouch over the phone. कोई भी चीज हमेशा के लिए नहीं होता। Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. उसके दांत में कीड़ा लगा है। She has dental caries. She has dental caries. दूसरों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ। Don't troll others. दूसरों का मजाक मत उड़ाओ। Don't troll others. मुझे उकसाओ मत। Don't trigger me. मुझे उकसाओ मत। Don't trigger me. टहलते समय पैर जल्दी जल्दी बढ़ाओ। Quicken your steps while walking. Quicken your steps while walking. तुम्हें देर तक जागने की आदत हो गई है। You got used to staying up late. You got used to staying up late. मैं ये तुम्हारी ही भलाई के लिए कह रहा हूँ। I am saying this for your own good. I am saying this for your own good. तुम्हें तैयार होने में कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take you to get ready? How long will it take you to get ready? मुझे जागते रहने के लिए शायद और चाय पीनी पड़ेगी। In order to stay awake, I may have to take more tea. In order to stay awake, I may have to take more tea. हमें सड़क के नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए। We must follow the rules of road. मुझसे बातचीत करने के लिए क्यों नहीं आ जाती हो? Why don't you come talk to me? Why don't you come talk to me? तुम्हारी यहाँ सख्त ज़रूरत है। You are desperately needed here. You are desperately needed here. दुकानें बंद हो चुकी हैं। The shops must be closed. The shops must be closed. इस समय मार्केट जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। There is no point in going to the market this time. There is no point in going to the market this time. वहाँ अकेले जाना उसकी बेवकूफ़ी थी। It was stupid of him to go there alone. It was stupid of him to go there alone. दीपिका पार्टी में सबसे अलग दिख रही थी। Deepika was standing out in the party. Deepika was standing out in the party. वो एक अच्छे समाज सेवक हैं। He is a good social worker. He is a good social worker. क्या आपको मिठाई खाना पसंद है? Do you like to eat sweets? Do you like to eat sweets? मैं अपनी मर्जी की मालिक हूँ। I am the master of my own will. I am the master of my own will. मैं दूसरों के इशारे पर नहीं चल सकती। I cannot follow the instruction of others. I cannot follow the instruction of others. मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ. I am not a puppet. I am not a puppet. मैं अपने कर्मों का फल भुगत रहा हूँ. I am suffering for my deeds. I am suffering for my deeds. मैं चाह कर भी इसे नहीं बदल सकता. I can't change it even if I want to. I can't change it even if I want to. मुझे कुछ चटपटा खाने का मन है. I feel like eating something spicy. I feel like eating something spicy. तुम इतना बकबक क्यों करते हो? Why do you chatter so much? Why do you chatter so much? क्या तुम्हारे मुंह में दर्द नहीं होता? Doesn't your mouth hurt? Doesn't your mouth hurt? तुम्हारा नाम चैटरबॉक्स ही होना चाहिए. Your name should be Chatterbox. Your name should be Chatterbox. आप तो अपनी राय मुझ पर थोप रहे हैं. You are forcing your opinion on me. You are forcing your opinion on me. यह सरासर गलत है. This is absolutely wrong. यह सरासर गलत है. This is absolutely wrong. तुम आँख क्यों खुजला रहे हो? Why are you itching your eyes? Why are you itching your eyes? अपने आँख को ठंडे पानी से धो लो. Wash your eye with cold water. Wash your eye with cold water. पहले मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. Listen to me first. पहले मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. Listen to me first. मुझे बोलने का एक मौका तो दीजिए. At least give me a chance to speak. At least give me a chance to speak. मैंने कोई गुनाह तो नहीं किया है. I haven't committed any crime. I haven't committed any crime. मुझे अपनी बात रखने का हक है ना. I have the right to speak. I have the right to speak. उसने तो सारा खाना फेंक दिया. He threw away all the food. He threw away all the food. खाना बासी हो गया था. The food had become stale. The food had become stale. उसे रोकने वाला कोई नहीं है. There is no one to stop him. There is no one to stop him. मेरा रूम खचपच हो रखा है. My room is messed up. मेरा रूम खचपच हो रखा है. My room is messed up. मुझे इसे ठीक ठाक करने दो. Let me arrange it. Let me arrange it. उसके दिमाग में कुछ तो चल रहा है. Something is going on his mind. Something is going on in his mind. उसका बर्ताव कुछ अलग है. His behavior is different. His behavior is different. उसकी बातों को दिल से मत लगाना. Don't take his words to heart. Don't take his words to heart. वह सबसे ऐसे ही बात करती है. She talks like this to everyone. She talks like this to everyone. मुझे अपनी बात पूरा करने दो. Let me complete my talk. Let me complete my talk. तुम हमेशा मुझे बीच में टोकते हो. You always interrupt me. You always interrupt me. इतना घमंड करना अच्छा नहीं है. It is not good to be so proud. It is not good to be so proud. अगर तुमने गलती की है तो माफ़ी मांगो। Apologize if you have made a mistake. Apologize if you have made a mistake. ऊपर वाला तुम्हें खूब कामयाबी दे। May the Almighty give you lots of success. May the Almighty give you lots of success. बस तुम निराश मत होना। Just don't be discouraged. Just don't be discouraged. मुझे बहुत जोर की प्यास लगी है। I am very thirsty. मुझे बहुत जोर की प्यास लगी है। I am very thirsty. लगता है मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है। I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. मैं कोई नाटक नहीं कर रहा हूँ। I am not doing any drama. I am not doing any drama. क्या आपने मेरा चार्जर देखा है? Have you seen my charger? Have you seen my charger? मुझे फ़ोन चार्ज करना है। I want to charge the phone. I want to charge the phone. तुम दोनों क्या कानाफूसी कर रहे हो? What are you two whispering? What are you two whispering? समय रहते इसे पूरा करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। It is very important to complete it in time. It is very important to complete it in time. मेरे पास फालतू समय नहीं है। I don't have spare time. I don't have spare time. मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रही हूँ। I am not praising myself. I am not praising myself. वह बहुत ही मिलनसार है। She is very friendly. She is very friendly. मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है। I don't have words. I don't have words. पैसे हमें हिसाब से खर्च करने चाहिए। We should spend money wisely. We should spend money wisely. पैसे पेड़ में नहीं फलते। Money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees. पैसे कमाने में बहुत मेहनत लगता है। It takes a lot of hard work to earn money. It takes a lot of hard work to earn money. उसके गले में बहुत दर्द है। She has a sore throat. She has a sore throat. उसे बुखार जैसा महसूस हो रहा है। She is feeling like fever. She is feeling like fever. यह किसी की साजिश है। This is someone's conspiracy. This is someone's conspiracy. कोई मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकता है? How could someone do this to me? How could someone do this to me? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। Something is wrong. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। Something is wrong. ये सब तुम्हारे दिमाग का वहम है। This is all a figment of your mind. This is all a figment of your mind. तुम बात को इतना क्यों घुमा रहे हो? Why are you twisting things so much? Why are you twisting things so much? जो बोलना है सीधे सीधे बोलो। Whatever you want to say, say it directly. Whatever you want to say it directly. जाओ और देखो दरवाजे पर कौन है। Go and see who's at the door. Go and see who's at the door. बाहर तो कोई अनजान शख्स खड़ा है। Some unknown person is standing outside. Some unknown person is standing outside. कम से कम तुम्हें बताना तो चाहिए था। At least you should have told. At least You should have told. तुम बहुत ज़्यादा बोलते हो. You talk too much. You talk too much. इतना ज़्यादा बोलना अच्छा नहीं होता. It is not good to talk too much. It is not good to talk too much. मैंने पैसे से लोगों को बदलते हुए देखा है. I have seen money changing people. I have seen money changing people. खैर छोड़ो इन बातों को. Well, leave these things. Well, leave these things. मुझे आपकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है. I can't hear your voice. I can't hear your voice. आवाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा कट रही है. The sound is cutting off a lot. The sound is cutting off a lot. मैं आपसे घर पहुंचकर बात करती हूँ. I will talk to you after reaching home. I will talk to you after reaching home. देखते ही देखते रात हो गई. It became night in no time. It became night in no time. वो मुझे कहीं भी नहीं मिला. I couldn't find him anywhere. I couldn't find him anywhere. तुम्हें उनका घर आसानी से मिल जाएगा. You will find their house easily. You will find their house easily. ये सब तुम्हारे दिमाग का वहम है. This is all a figment of your mind. This is all a figment of your mind. यहाँ इतना अंधेरा क्यों है? Why is it so dark in here? Why is it so dark in here? तुम्हें मेरी बात सुननी होगी. You have to listen to me. You have to listen to me. हर कोई तुम्हारे इशारे पर नहीं चलेगा. Not everyone will follow your instruction. Not everyone will follow your instruction. तुम इतना नौटंकी क्यों करते हो? Why do you do so much gimmick? Why do you do so much gimmick? मैंने अपने क्लास में टॉप किया है. I have topped in my class. I have topped in my class. उसकी संगति अच्छी नहीं है. His company is not good. His company is not good. मैं उसके मुकाबले कुछ नहीं हूँ. I am nothing compared to him. I am nothing compared to him. मुझे भी तुमसे बात करने का कोई शौक नहीं है. I am also not interested in talking to you. I am also not interested in talking to you. तुम्हें इतना गुस्सा किस बात का है? What are you so angry about? What are you so angry about? हमारी दोस्ती के किस्से सुनाए जाएंगे. Tales of our friendship will be told. Tales of our friendship will be told. हम दोनों हमेशा दोस्त रहेंगे. We will always be friends. We will always be friends. मुझे ऐसे ही अदरक और इलायची वाली चाय पसंद है. I love this type of ginger and cardamom tea. I love this type of ginger and cardamom tea. हमारे छत से पानी टपक रहा है. Water is dripping from our ceiling. Water is dripping from our ceiling. वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ सैर पर गया है. He has gone for a walk with his friends. He has gone for a walk with his friends. हंसना तो सेहत के लिए अच्छा होता है. Laughter is good for health. Laughter is good for health. आज मुझे पार्टी में जाना है. Today I have to go to the party. Today I have to go to the party. मुझे आज बहुत सारे काम निपटाने हैं। I have a lot of work to do today. I have a lot of work to do today. मैं उसे जानती तक नहीं हूँ। I don't even know him. I don't even know him. तुमने यह ड्रेस कहाँ से लिया है? Where did you get this dress from? Where did you get this dress from? मेरा फ़ोन काम नहीं कर रहा है। My phone is not working. My phone is not working. इतना ज़्यादा बोलना अच्छा नहीं होता। It is not good to talk too much. It is not good to talk too much. ठीक है, जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी। Okay, as you wish. Okay, as you wish. बच्चों को खेलने का वक्त ही नहीं मिलता। Children don't get time to play. Children don't get time to play. खैर छोड़ो इन बातों को। Well, leave these things. Well, leave these things. मैं ट्यूशन जा रही हूँ। I am going to tuition. मैं ट्यूशन जा रही हूँ। I am going to tuition. मैं बाहर नहीं आ पाऊंगी। I will not be able to come out. I will not be able to come out. आवाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा कट रही है। The sound is cutting off a lot. The sound is cutting off a lot. तुम्हारे दिमाग में चल क्या रहा है? What is running in your mind? What is running in your mind? तुम इस वक्त कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going at this time? Where are you going at this time? तुम्हारा वहाँ रहना ठीक नहीं है। It's not right for you to stay there. It's not right for you to stay there. आपको गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए। You shouldn't get angry. You shouldn't get angry. तुम सच्चाई छुपाने की कोशिश कर रही हो। You are trying to hide the truth. You are trying to hide the truth. तुम भरोसे के लायक नहीं हो। You are not trustworthy. You are not trustworthy. और किसने इस काम को किया? Who else did this work? Who else did this work? अपने परिवार का ध्यान रखो। Take care of your family. Take care of your family. लेकिन उन्हें कौन समझाएगा? But who will make them understand? But who will make them understand? किसने सिखाया ये सब तुम्हें? Who taught you all this? Who taught you all this? ये पैसे कहाँ से आए तुम्हारे पास? From where did you get the money? From where did you get the money? और अगर ये सच हो गया तो? And if this came true then? And if this came true then? आपको अचानक क्या हो गया? What happened suddenly to you? What happened suddenly to you? मैं यहाँ चाय के लिए नहीं आया था। I didn't come here for tea. I didn't come here for tea. मगर वो समझता ही नहीं है। But he doesn't understand. But he doesn't understand. ये कोई आसान काम नहीं है। This is not an easy task. This is not an easy task. मैं कभी तुमसे झूठ नहीं बोल सकता। I can never lie to you. I can never lie to you. सिर्फ तुम ही उसे मना सकती हो। Only you can convince him. Only you can convince him. मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ। I am not talking about that. I am not talking about that. मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? Did I do anything wrong? Did I do anything wrong? कोई इतनी जल्दी हार कैसे मान सकता है? How can anybody give up so soon? How can anybody give up so soon? तुम मेरा इंतजार कर रही हो? Are you waiting for me? Are you waiting for me? उसकी याददाश्त चली गई। She lost her memory. उसकी याददाश्त चली गई। She lost her memory. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। This is enough for today. This is enough for today. मैं किसी भी तरह उनका गुस्सा ठंडा कर दूंगा। I will cool her temper anyhow. I will cool her temper anyhow. क्या तुम्हें सब कुछ मंजूर है? Is everything acceptable to you? Is everything acceptable to you? मैं तुम्हारा मजाक नहीं उड़ाऊंगा। I won't make fun of you. I won't make fun of you. हम लोग तो बस मजाक कर रहे हैं। We are just kidding. We are just kidding. दरवाजा खोल कर देख लीजिए। Open the door and see. Open the door and see. जो कुछ पूछना चाहते हो जल्दी पूछो। Ask whatever you wish to ask quickly. Ask whatever you wish to ask quickly. जितना बोलना है बोल लो तुम। Speak as much as you want. Speak as much as you want. तुम ही तो हो हमारी परेशानियों की जड़। You are the reason of our problems. You are the reason of our problems. मैं बाकी लोगों की तरह नहीं हूँ। I am not like the rest of the people. I am not like the rest of the people. सब ऐसा मेरे साथ क्यों करते हैं? Why everyone does this to me? Why everyone does this to me? मैंने डर के मारे झूठ बोला। I lied out of fear. I lied out of fear. तुम इज्जत के लायक नहीं हो। You don't deserve respect. You don't deserve respect. खुशियाँ खरीदी नहीं जा सकती। Happiness can't be bought. Happiness can't be bought. खुशियाँ अंदर से आती है। Happiness comes from within. Happiness comes from within. मैंने अभी तक खाना नहीं खाया। As of now, I haven't eaten. As of now, I haven't eaten. मैंने काम अभी तक पूरा नहीं किया। I haven't done work as of now. I haven't done work as of now. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खाना पसंद करूँगा। I would like to have pizza. I would like to have pizza. क्या आप कुछ चावल लेंगे? Would you like to have some rice? Would you like to have some rice? वो नकद भुगतान करना चाहेगा। He would like to pay in cash. He would like to pay in cash. मैं ये रेड शर्ट लेना पसंद करूँगा। I would love to buy this red shirt. I would love to buy this red shirt. क्या आज तुम मेरे साथ रात का खाना खाओगे? Would you like to join me for dinner tonight? Would you like to join me for dinner tonight? मैं उसे नहीं जानता, शायद वो जानता है। I don't know him, perhaps he knows. I don't know him, perhaps he knows. उसने हाँ कहा या शायद ना। He said yes or maybe no. He said yes or maybe no. वह अभी तक सो रहा है। He is still sleeping as of now. He is still sleeping as of now. वह अभी तक यहाँ नहीं आया। He hasn't come here as of now. He hasn't come here as of now. शायद वो सही उम्मीदवार हो सकता है। He may be the right candidate. He may be the right candidate. शायद उनसे मदद करने के लिए कहा जा सकता है। They may be asked for help. They may be asked for help. वो पिट जाएगा। He would be beaten up. वो पिट जाएगा। He would be beaten up. ये आज हो जाएगा। This would be done today. ये आज हो जाएगा। This would be done today. वो आसानी से बेवकूफ़ बन जाएगा। He would be scammed easily. He would be scammed easily. उसे करीब 500 रुपए दिए जाएंगे। He would be given around ₹500. He would be given around ₹500. ये गाड़ी आसानी से चोरी हो जाएगी। This car would be stolen easily.